Hi kiddos and welcome back to Fun Drawings with Tanu Auntie, and today we are going to do a cute Ganesha. Till the season of Ganpati is on, मेरा दिल सिर्फ गणेशा गणेशा चाहता है. So I'll try and do many paintings with Ganesha, and I promise I will do all the paintings which have been told to me by many children. I will definitely do everything, but please let me do Ganesha. Okay, so for that what we do is first we make a circle. Right in the center we make a circle, not exactly at the center, a little up. Okay, we make a circle. Then from this point, can you see children, from this point we will take 1 point up. Then we'll make a C, ulta C, and we shall bring it down right till the center. Okay, after doing this what will we do is make a smiley. wo jo aisa, when we make this and this na, when we make cartoon images, similarly we are supposed to make this. I think so my khopda should go a little big, and I'll do it later on. Now from here we are going to take this step, then we make the M part, we write, and we put 2 drops here. You all will soon know why we have done this. Okay, now we will take a turn and put one eye here and one eye here. Okay, and the Nargundu should be this way because he's looking somewhere up. This will be the eyebrows. Okay, so this part should be a little big, so I'm making it a little big. Okay, here the ears of the Ganesha will come, so this part a little more bigger. Let's see how it works. Okay, now can you see this is the anda part, and what we will do is we'll rub this part. Actually I'll make my trunk a little fatter because my Ganpati is golu, so I don't want him to be thin. Then we will make little shendis. Okay, our Ganesha is having little hair. We will make the ear here. We will make the ear. Homophones. So I become a English teacher also for you all, correct? So okay, there should be one ear going behind here, so let us do it a little here if it looks cute, otherwise we'll rub it later on. Okay, so we'll make a cute little chin here. And now you're supposed to make a ulta U. See children, we are making a ulta U. Then again we do a little motu because my Ganesha is goblu. Okay, so I want to make him, so these are the sul on his body. When you're fat, you know, all these tires come on your body. So my Ganesha is goblu. I don't want to make him thin. So a child Ganesha, goblu, new name goblu. Now we shall make his thumb. See, S, we bring it back. Now we have 1 finger, 2 finger, 3 finger, and let the tiny finger go like that. Okay, so he's holding something, so let this finger be like that. Now what is he holding? What is the favorite dish of Lord Ganesha? The favorite dish of Lord Ganesha is modak. Now this will be a pencil shading drawing with no pencil shading. Okay, we will do a pencil shading drawing with no pencils. So imagine how it is going to be. Okay, my little finger is up. So all what is there inside, I need to rub it. These are the 3 fingers and this is my little finger. Okay, so this is done. Now we will have his, you know how the laughing Buddha is goblu, like that even my Ganesha is goblu. So I've done this. Now what I do is, okay, the hands are done. Now I'll put the feet here first. Okay, let me put the feet here. And once the feet is done, see, this will be the feet and this will be the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. So my feet is done. No, the feet should be a little bigger. So let it be a little bigger. It's a very, very, very simple drawing. Please children, opt for it, this Ganesha, and happy Ganesha, because as it is, we are not bringing the idols home, so at least we can draw, correct? Now since my Ganesha is Motu Motu, he will have tires on his body. Now this will be his back sitting position, so he will look pretty. Okay, a line here, and we will make one leg. See, he's sitting like that, so one leg has to come here. So this will be one of his legs here, and a little finger to be seen here. So my drawing is done. Now children, what we will be doing is, yes, it's done. कुछ complete नहीं है का है. अपना Ganpati Bappa is almost ready. Now we are going to use only 3 colors. Not even 3, we are going to use only 2 colors, that is black and grey. So what we do is we take a black oil pastel, children, and we quickly do whatever we have drawn. This time we are not doing it with our markers. What are we doing it? We are doing it with our oil pastels. और ऑयल पेस्टल्स की कलरिंग करते वक्त बहुत जिगर चाहिए. डोंट मेक मिस्टेक्स चिल्ड्रन, नहीं तो हमारा गणपति बप्पा कालिया कालिया हो जाएगा. करेक्ट? सो वेरी सिंपल ड्राइंग इट इज, एंड इट विल हार्डली टेक 15 minutes टू complete this drawing. I keep on talking so much, that is why I am taking more time. Okay, if I don't talk, and after this we will have one drawing of Ganpati Visarjan also. Okay, we should not forget Ganpati Visarjan drawing. I don't know when Anant Chaturdashi is, but before that I am sure I will post one Ganesh Visarjan drawing. So see, what am I doing is I am just blindly what should I say, rewriting on my pencil marks. Okay, so when you make your hands, you have to be a little more careful. Small areas to be covered, be very careful, and then we will do shading with grey color. So this will look like a pencil shading drawing, but it will not be done with pencil. It will be done with oil pastel. Okay, so this is his leg of the baby, and the baby is having a modak here right in front of him, and there is water. I mean to say, the modak is making his mouth water. मम्मी ने क्या मस्त खाना बनाया, तो हमारा भी माउथ वाटर होता ना, वैसा ही गणपति का भी माउथ वाटर हो रहा है. अभी ये इसकी शेंडी है, ये थोड़े थोड़े बिखरे हुए बाल है. हम लोग को उसको टकलू नहीं बनाने का. वील पुट लिटिल हेयर ऑन इट. You know, this is the only god which you can make it anyhow, and he looks very, very, very pretty. So his hair is done. Yes, it's looking nice. Now see children, we are going to use only grey color for the shading. So we'll quickly start. See, ये grey color हमको सूला सूला के करने का. Okay, so here just above the eyes, here above the eyes, be very careful when you're doing. Just inside the ear, but not completely. We'll press a bit here and leave it a little that side. Then okay, over here we will do it. See, it looks like pencil shading, but it is not pencil shading. See children, wherever you dirty, now here I have dirty. Now this time we are not going to use white children. We are leaving this place which is white as it is. We are not touching it. So we'll put a little black, grey color here, a little here, this side, Now his body inside will be a little darker. The modak will be shaded this side. Okay, a little bit of his legs, the hands downside, legs downside, and just a little bit here. See, can you see? It's so simple, so simple. So we have used a monochromatic scheme, that is we have used only one color, that is black and grey. Grey is a shade of black, children. So we have used only one. Okay, what we'll do is we'll fill out this a little. Let the smile be little cute. So this is done, and now just to give a little vintage, we'll make a mushak here because Ganpati's drawing is a little incomplete. So these are the eyes of the mushak, the ears of the mushak. Mushak is the suwa. Okay, then we have and the tail. Okay, so very simple drawing which we have made of a mushak, ekdam bachcho wali. So what we will do is we will take our grey color, and just to give a vintage look, हमको कलर ग्रे को सुलाना है बेटा, हमको उसको जगा के नहीं रखना. वी डोंट हैव टू होल्ड इट लाइक दैट, वी आर सपोज टू hold it like that. And right at the corners, what we do is only at the corners first sula can lightly. Is time Tanu teacher is not telling you daba ke ghaseet ke. Remember, I never told this word daba ke ghaseet ke. Did I? No, I did not. So this is the vintage look which we are giving, because we should not keep it empty. Now vintage look is, search, Google it, you all will understand. It is darker at the corners, a little darker, and it goes light in the center, or there is nothing in the center, it's just the borders which are darker. So this is the vintage look which we are giving. कलर को सुला के, ग्रे को घसीट के, दबा के नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू यूज इट वेरी हल्के हाथ से. कभी तो तन्नू टीचर ने ऐसा बोला ही ना, दबा के घसीट के नहीं करने का. नाउ सी देयर इज अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ कलर हियर. सो व्हाट आई विल डू इज आई विल क्विकली टेक अ क्लॉथ and just rub it once. Okay, I'm rubbing it once with the cloth. So this will be my vintage look. So this time our drawing is not colorful, it is a cutie pie drawing of my chota Ganesha. Cutie pie. So it is a simple drawing, monochromatic scheme, only one color used. It will give an effect of pencil shading. You all can do pencil shadings if you all have 8B pencil. Instead of the oil pastel black, you all can take your pencils and you all can shade if you all wish. I have no objection, sir. Now the last part is just darken this. Darken the lower part of your modak, niche ka part. See the parts which I am darkening very carefully. Okay, now what we are going to do is, sirf sleeping line mein we have to make a little bit of shadow. You know, only sleeping line mein, जास्त करायचं नाही, हलकं. So this will be the shadow of Lord Ganesha falling on the ground. So the parts which are on the ground should have this. So our drawing is completed, and it has hardly taken, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. That's it. And a beautiful, cute little Ganesha is ready.